Welcome back, guys. So, this is a quick recap on the trade I took on market open on XAUSD. So, this is it. So, let me just do a top down analysis for you guys. So, from 4 hours time frame, we had a break of structure here. See the break of structure here. This. You get me? So, price is in our discount zone. Get so we should be looking for buys. So let me show you how I got this buy. Of course, we are in a major key level zone here. Let me exit delete this. Major key level zone here. So let's go down to 1 hour time frame. So I've confirmed my bias on daily time frame. Then second again is that I have a trend line liquidity here. Yes, I have a trend line liquidity here. I expect price to take out this liquidity above here. Yes. If you not watch liquidity video, watch it and learn about the trend line liquidity. So this is I expect price to take out this liquidity here. I remember price is coming out from a major key level around here. You get some people would have entered based on head and shoulder pattern. There is basically nothing that doesn't work in this market though. It just depends on what you are seeing. Get me? All strategies work. So this is it. So see what I now did here is that I went down to smaller time frame. Let me show you as I mark out my PY, which is very important. As I know that price just hit this zone here, I knew that price just hit this zone here. I know the price hit this zone here. This zone, this whole place, I know is a major resistance zone. So see what I did. See what I did here. I waited for a break of structure here to give me a proper confirmation. Then on 20 minutes time frame, see the entry here. I use this order block. Don't worry, I'll still teach you guys how to know SMC models. From here, this is the other block I used. Why this is a valid order block? Don't worry, I'll still talk about order blocks. I'm just explaining my entry. Why this is a valid order block? Firstly, I have an FVG here. One, I have an inducement here. Two, I have a break of structure here. Three, and there is another thing drawing price above, which is this trend line liquidity. I'll still explain FVG and others. Others are coming up in the videos. Let's just take it gradually. So that's it. That's what I saw. I now placed my long position here. Remember, we're expecting price to take out this external liquidity. Take out the internal and head for the external liquidity. So that's basically yes. So let's see. can see it. So we are in. This is where I got on the trade. Even so, there was something that drew price here. There was a trendline liquidity again that drew price. I don't know if you can see it here. So this trendline, you get, yes. I think this is also a factor that added. That's why you basically need to understand this thing from the foundation. Understand liquidity, understand this order block, understand every nook and cranny, understand key levels. You get me? So that's it. That's it. So uh, this is how I basically got the trade. And we smashed TP on this though. Yeah, that's it. That's the clean 1:6 trade. Get me? So that's how I call it trade on XAUSD. I hope you learned one or two. Most important things for you to know what I did here is that I took my trade from a key level one. Number two, there is something attracting price. You get one of the things that made me take this buy is that there is a trendline liquidity supporting my entry, and there is break of structure here. You understand? So all these are the confluences you need. You don't just take trades blindly. You get me? So just backtest this and write out your checklist before you enter a trade. You must have a liquidity target. Yeah, price is looking to do something. Get me? Then mark out your key level, mark out your buyers from the higher time frame. All that, have a checklist. Just backtest this and give me feedback on the comment section. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. I'll be bringing out a full detailed videos on all this, both FVG, premium and discount zone, other blocks, how to make a valid order blocks, because there are many other blocks on the chart. There is it's now skill for you to know the one to use at the right time. Get me? So that's basically it. See you on the next one. Cheers.